Good day. Today is 12/23 and this is my trade review. MVIS had this massive run up. Unfortunately, I did not get short yesterday. I had a plan. It didn't pan out the way that I thought that it would. And I didn't know that this was going to crash overnight, obviously. I expected a little more from holiday trading. I thought that this could get pushed up more. In retrospect, one maybe could have anticipated that because you've got this fading volume here at the end. You have this doji at the end of the day yesterday. This is on the 1 hour chart. But I also, didn't want to be short overnight on a short squeeze and get more shorted or more squeezed. So I did not take that position. Also, I had messed up my PLTR trade all day. So looks like it cost me even more than I had thought. But this morning I did grab bounce. I thought that this was actually going to hold, and so I got in this candle at 762, and then as you can see it continued downward. I tried to get out at my stop, which was the bottom here at 750, but I missed my exit, and so I maintained my conviction that it was going to bounce, and I almost added down here in the sevens, and that would have been kind of nice, but I did not do that. I was encouraged by this candle here, this hammer at the bottom with high volume, because this was kind of a stopping volume. You can see that they held it up here, and then it recovered, and I'm proud of myself. I held past my exit. I didn't gleefully exit for break even. I actually sold into this doji. I sold at 782. And so that was kind of nice. If I had had a little more patience, it might have played out better. And the previous close was actually my target. I wanted to get for some puts. I wanted it up closer to 9, and obviously I didn't get that. I should have played off the open. Actually, that would have been perfect to play off the open. Next time. So then, working with my new rules, I was very limited in my, literally in my options, but also figuratively. In my small account, my side account, I grabbed, let's see, oh, these are 1 minutes. I grabbed a single put for 369 that expired today. And I grabbed it right in, where was it? It was right in here. No, it was this push. No, it wasn't that much yet. It was right in here. The price action and the volume looked a little bit iffy. You can see this candle, and I think I was watching a different chart, maybe 15-minute chart. It wasn't that late. It was in here. This looked more like a morning star when I was looking at it. And then we got this doji, so I grabbed a put, and as you can see, it didn't pan out. as I thought it would. And so I cut, oh my goodness. Wow. That put right now would be worth a fortune. I paid 40 bucks for it. And let's see. I'm curious. I like to torture me. It was for $369. I paid 40 bucks for it. It is now worth, people are offering 140 for it now. So, I don't feel bad about it at all. Um, I took the trade. I said I'm not losing more than $5 on this trade. I bought it for 41. I sold it for 36. So I stuck to my plan. I stuck to my idea. I did like this, this kind of, I guess it's not a cup and handle, but these higher lows, this swoopy pattern here, I liked it. Oh, this is where I grabbed that put. And then it was profitable for a couple minutes, and then it wasn't, and now it is. I wonder if there's any sign here that this was the top. This is definitely a sign, because it's downtrending, and then it has this candle here with increasing volume, so that tells us that there's selling volume. Then it continues downward. This here looks like a selling frenzy, but what's the volume look like? Yeah, see, all of this buying volume couldn't take it anywhere, and then this would be a lot cleaner if it weren't for these massive volume bars. And then, let's see, where are we? And then this kind of increasing selling volume. Those were all decent signs to look for. It tries to recover here, fails. Anyway, I wasn't in that. I bought VISL and I sold VISL for the same price. Before, I actually sold it for break even so that I could focus on another trade that I was kind of sloppy about. This would have been a lovely 10 bucks. I actually wound up only getting 50 shares. And I wasn't paying close enough attention. And I thought about adding, but my trading has just been garbage lately. And so I'm really doing my best to just find good setups, like just prove to myself that I'm not a complete muppet. So I grabbed some RIOT puts at 14. I made $6 on 2 contracts, which, you know, is not ideal, but I didn't want to hold a block or a Bitcoin short overnight during holiday trading. And they're puts, so they're going to expire sooner because tomorrow's a half day. So I anticipated them losing value rapidly on that. Looks like the last traded price on them, I could have got 45 for them today if I had held. I only got 40 for them, but I'm okay. Today was a mental health day. You know, I just watched the market. I watched myself to see if I could follow my plans, to see if I could follow my rules, you know, and I did. So no shame in my game. I don't feel bad about my small wins, and I don't feel bad about my smaller losses. That is a-okay. So that was my trading for today. and I wish you a happy holiday. I will definitely be around tomorrow. I don't know if I'll trade or not. We will just have to keep an eye out. Farewell.